In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit or disable Facebook memories on your phone. So what you want to do is head to the Facebook app and tap on the hamburger menu in the top right hand of the screen, then tap on memories. Now in here, tap on the settings icon in the top right hand corner. And as you can see here, we can adjust this that we don't get notified about memories anymore by selecting none. Also what we can do is hide certain people from our memories, and also you can hide certain dates. And that's basically how easy it is to edit or remove your Facebook memories from your phone. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.